I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start by opening Outlook and ensuring your account and calendar are active. This avoids sync errors later. Once done, switch to Calendar View and click New Meeting or New Teams Meeting to begin. Add at least one attendee and set a clear date and start time so Outlook can check availability. Make sure to pick an appropriate calendar if you manage multiple accounts. Doing that now prevents creating the link in the wrong calendar. Next, you create the actual meeting link. Click the online meeting or Teams toggle and Outlook will insert a join link into the invite. Add a concise title and paste a short agenda in the body so attendees know the purpose. If needed, fill location or write online. Use the scheduling assistant to view attendees' availability and adjust times. This reduces reschedules. Also set a reminder and choose required versus optional attendees to clarify expectations before you send. Finally, double-check the attendee list, time zone, and meeting options like lobby settings and presenter permissions, because those control access and recording rights. When you click Send, confirm the event appears on your calendar with the Join link visible. If the link is missing, try toggling the online meeting option off and on, ensure the Teams add-in is enabled, or recreate the meeting. Those steps usually restore the link quickly. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.